Do you have a tendency to follow what your friends or colleagues are doing? We all have a tendency to conform to the beliefs and behavior of the people around us. This is called peer pressure or social pressure. My name is Giuseppe Conti. I'm the founder of Conti Advanced Business Learning, a company that specializes in negotiation and influencing. In this short video, I want to show you how you can encourage or discourage a certain behavior using social pressure. Let's start with encouraging a certain behavior. Then what you want to do, you want to show what other people are doing in the same kind of situation. Let's look, for example, at EasyJet, the European low-cost airline. Whenever you book your flight, you have an indication which tells you there are 106 people that are currently looking at this route. This encourages you to make a purchase. When we look at discouraging a behavior, it becomes interesting because the traditional approach was based on telling people do not do a certain thing. But let's look, for example, at this photo that I took on the Swiss mountains. Then, rather than the traditional approach, do not litter, it says 98% of the people are not littering. So you shouldn't do it yourself. So, to summarize, whenever you want to encourage or discourage a certain type of behavior using social pressure, then indicate what other people are doing that goes in the right direction. For more insights on negotiation and influencing, check our website www.cabl.ch. Thank you.